Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansi Chauhan, Consultant Surgical Oncology from CK Birla Hospital. Today we are going to talk about a fairly novel technique used to treat breast cancer, that is breast oncoplasty. Breast oncoplasty basically is a group of surgeries which can be done as a part of breast cancer treatment. Oncoplasty is basically two words, onco and plasty, which combines the principles of cancer surgery to remove the tumor from the breast, but at the same time uses plastic surgery techniques to restore and remodel the shape of the breast after removal of the entire tumor. This helps many women who cannot be treated with conventional breast conservation surgery because of larger tumor size or because of a difficult location of a tumor or because of many other reasons could be included in conservation surgery because of this technique. Breast oncoplasty largely consists of many surgical techniques which could be classified as level 1 oncoplasty or level 2 oncoplasty based on the extent of difficulty of performing that procedure, or it could be a volume displacement or volume replacement kind of surgeries in which only the breast tissue which is left behind could be reshaped and remodeled to make an aesthetic appearance of breast after breast cancer removal, or there can be volume replacement oncoplasties in which tissues from other part of body like flaps are brought into the defect created after cancer removal. The advantages of this type of surgery is conservation, which obviously gives an aesthetic and cosmetic appearance after the breast cancer surgery, but at the same time it also provides a better emotional and mental state to the patient after receiving the breast cancer treatment. I would like to point out here that it is an age-old myth that once you are diagnosed with breast cancer, the entire breast has to be removed. So breast conservation surgery has been there for decades, and now with the new horizons achieved by breast oncoplastic surgeries, there are higher possibilities that even difficult larger tumors in smaller breasts could also be conserved. This procedure is very safe oncologically, that is from cancer perspective, and once diagnosed with breast cancer, you should always take an opinion regarding whether you are a suitable candidate for such kind of procedures. It does not involve any greater risk than any other breast surgery and is very oncologically safe. Our team in this hospital is fully equipped to perform such kind of procedures, and we have been regularly doing this for years. If you have any queries regarding breast oncoplastic procedures or breast cancer surgeries, you can contact us through the given website or numbers. Thank you for your kind attention. Have a nice day.